On 3, 2, 1, go.
Shalom family, Most High Christ Bless. This is Sister Adaya, House of Officer Job, IUIC LA. I'm here with the young daughters of Sarah and these daughters of Sarah here today to apply Proverbs 31 and 13 with the young sisters, how to work willingly with their hands. On the table, you can see that we have a different array of medium to help the young sisters do what's called upcycling. So upcycling is the ability to take old or new clothing and make it into something new. This activity or this craft will allow them to not practice idleness and to avoid any wickedness. Shalom, Most High in Christ bless.
Had a plain thing and plain jacket, and I just made it into something else because I just made it more decorative.
Maybe I'll talk about I definitely can come up and look at the stuff.
Like so I can be able to sew with my hands,
And
like
think about
with the needles and stuff, so I can sew it there
and start
and
thinking
get
of
like
how they
something
want
on the
to
back.
design it. And so we can help. You ever notice that, when you just have nothing to do, or you notice people that don't have nothing, tend to not have anything to do, kind of get into trouble. They start having evil thoughts, or they might act on those evil thoughts. Some people might steal, somebody might want to do something, and in order to do it, they tell their parents a lie. This is all things that can come and happen within idle time, right?
My experience has been great. I came because of Titus 2 and 3. It says that the older shall teach the younger. And I plan on, being married and having children one day. So this is a great opportunity to learn how to deal with children and to exercise that scripture.